Okay guys, good morning. We are here in Plantation, Florida. We are going to check a cruiser boat 33 feet with two inboard gasoline engines. We are going to analyze corrosion in this boat today. I have with my students of the course of corrosion, and we are going to enjoy the day. We are going to verify with the sure test, with the multimeter, with the voltmeter, with the silver chlorine electrode, the condition of the boat in terms of corrosion. We are going to check if the boat is properly bonded, if the bonding is good, and we are going to start the process checking the pedestal. Okay, let's go. We are going to verify the pedestal using those tools, and next we are going to enter in the boat to connect the silver chlorine electrode to verify the condition. This is the cord for the shore power number one. Touch the outlet, and try to keep always those cables as clean as possible, because with the temperature the voltage drop increase. This is why in the marinas the crew is dedicated all the day to clean the cables, to keep to keep the cables as clean as possible. I want to check if the ground here is good. Can I plug it? Yeah. Okay. All right. Normally, when you remove the plug, verify that you don't have burned terminals. They look good. They should be more clean. No? Okay. We are going to check. Number one, I'm going to identify which one is hot, which one is neutral, and after that we are going to take two readings, one between hot and neutral, other between hot and ground, and we are going to check the difference between both of them. Okay, this is a voltage AC. We are going to locate the voltage AC over there. Okay, 120, probably this is hot and this is neutral. And then I check between hot and ground. Let me check between this and this. Okay, 120. Okay, this one is hot. This one is hot.
What's the hot one?
Between hot 121 and 121. And between both of them, hot, neutral and ground, 0.04. Okay, the ground is good. The ground is good. Between ground and neutral, 121.5. Between ground and hot, 121.6. It's okay. That's perfect. And between neutral and ground, 0.04. Okay, it's good. It's in good condition, the ground of this house, and those bolts are the bolts and the nuts are marine grade. However, this bracket is galvanized steel. This bracket with the time will be corroded. This is a nice frame in aluminum. The hardware is good, stainless steel marine grade. It's in great condition because the material is marine grade. The material of the hardware is marine grade. This one is not marine grade, but the rest is good. It's good.
How can you tell just looking at it, the color?
Yeah,
you know that it's a little starting the corrosion a little, the oxidation.
Yeah.
It's because this plate, this plate is not marine grade. No. And the stainless steel of this alloy is not a perfect marine grade. It's good. It's good. Probably if we check with the magnet, it's a little magnetic. No, but it's great. I like it. And okay, the pedestal is good.
Can you check that one too?
Other side? Of course, we can check the other one. boat, no?
No, both of them are for that boat.
Ah, both of them?
There's two,
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
and-
alright. Let me check this one. Okay. 0.04 neutral and ground. $120 hot and neutral. 126 exactly the same hot and ground. Between neutral and ground, yeah, 0.04 exactly the same.
Oh, the same one as the other one.
It's okay. The ground is good. We are going to let disconnect the ground because I want to check the bonding
Okay.
with no power on the pedestal.
Okay.
No
And,
power on
but
this.
no, yeah,
Yeah.
with no power on the pedestal.
You're gonna check the continuity with
Yeah.
it?
No, number one, I am going to verify if
No continuity.
the majority of the metals in the engine room are connected with the bonding conductor.
Oh yeah.
And after that, we are going to suspend it, the silver chloride electrode. And then we are going to put in back the power,
Mhm.
and we are going to check with the sure test if
The power.
the condition of hot, neutral, and ground, if we
Inside.
have reverse polarity and all of those issues. Let me check the frequency here in the pedestal. I forget that.
Frequency.
It's a frequency.
What does the frequency affect?
No, the frequency no affect. It's only for information.
Oh.
No, this is only to verify later if the frequency of the generator is the same. No, but
Frequency
Oh.
of the
it's only
generator.
informative. No, this is when the people say, "Oh, I don't know what happened, but when I am connected to the pedestal, my lights are blinking or something like this." It's a frequency, low frequency. No. 120, 60 hertz. That's perfect.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice, no?
It's perfect.
Okay. All right. Let's go. We are going to check. You want to enter in the middle of between both engines and check the bonding conductor in the back on the transom. Check, please. You want to enter and see? See
Is
the.
it okay?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead, Joe.
Should I sign a waiver?
Go ahead.
No, don't send away, but just get in there. You get electrocuted, you get electrocuted. We'll call the ambulance. 911. Wee, wee, wee.
It's inside there.
You see the bonding,
Yeah.
the bonding.
Yeah.
That's the bonding, and you see in both sides on the stringer.
I don't see on the stringer. I don't see anything on the stringer, Mr. Lopez.
No, you see the green cables coming
green
from the
cable.
cabin.
Right there, green cable. Right
Green
here,
cables, green cables.
You see the
Green
bonding
cables
system?
here.
Yeah, correct.
They run.
Those
The
green
bonding,
cables
yeah.
are they finish in the
Bonding system.
bonding conductor in the back
Oh,
in the transom.
Down there.
Here.
And
down
it's
there.
supposed that the bonding conductor, one ball pass through the transom, and outside you have the sinks.
Yes.
Yeah, I have the
Yeah.
sinks, but
Yeah.
every time the diver comes, he tells me that the sinks in the back are in perfect condition. I said, that's not good.
That's not good.
So I don't think
Yes.
that the bonding is connected
That's
to the
not good.
sinks.
That's not good. This is why it's corroded.
Yeah, see that? These elbows and risers, that's all brand new. We just put that in like
Yeah.
2 months ago. Look at it.
Yeah, look at this.
Brand new.
In a couple of weeks, it's not good.
It's like,
Can you touch the
The
conductor, the bonding conductor in the back, please? And we are going to check continuity here.
Okay, we're good.
it's
Okay.
continuity, right?
Yes.
It has continuity.
Yes.
That's
Okay, but probably
Not
between
marine
between
grade.
the bonding conductor and outside,
Outside.
the thing. No.
Good. Yeah.
Okay, let me check the other engine.
Do you have the magnet here?
Yes.
It's like this one is the marine grade as a magnet.
Of course, this is not marine grade, but in general, in the engines, anything is marine grade. Okay, let me check, for example, the
So the beep beep is good, right? That means it's bonded
yeah, it's bonded.
The BB is like continue
it's
the
bonded
bonding. Yeah.
internally.
internally.
Oh, I'm not sure if it's bonded externally. No. Let me touch this
String.
The straight.
Here you go.
No,
no PP.
no baby.
No BB. No bonding.
Yeah. This element is not bonded.
This one also.
Let me check this bracket that is completely corroded.
Tampoco.
Nope.
Nothing.
No.
No, let hold it.
No,
I
I know
touch
it.
that one. Let me touch that one. You hold this one. Nothing.
Nothing.
It's bonding. They have a wire, but the wire is still.
They have the wire, but it's not connected.
No, the wire, no.
Touch those motor mounts.
Nothing. You sure there?
Mm-hmm.
Let me touch it. No, you're not there.
Let me touch your terminal.
Yeah, touch the thing. You touch there? Nope.
Yeah, on it.
Here is good. Yeah, it's connected with the bonding. Let me check this one. It's connected. The motors are connected with that bonding conductor.
Okay.
The strainer, no. The bracket, no. Can you touch with the water heater and you touch the bonding conductor, please?
Ah, that looks no bonding. Nothing.
It's connected down there, but it looks pretty cool.
And has a cable connected, but
See it right down
it's
there?
not connected. Okay,
It's not connected. The water heater.
the water heater.
It looks cool.
Nope, bonded.
Still recording?
Yes, there.
Yeah, the blocks of the engine, yes, but basically the rest of the element, no. Okay, that's not good. We are going to suspend it, the silver chlorine electrode, and we are going to do the readings.
Okay.
Remember the table yesterday in class. The reading should be in minus 0.7 and minus 0.8.
Yes.
No? This is an indication that you have protection. And after that, we are going to put back the short power cable, and we are going to check with the sure test the outlets. The secret when you finish to use the silver chlorine electrode is clean with fresh water before you put it back on this protection. No, clean with fresh water. All right, and we are going to let here suspended on the water, and we are going to tie it with some part of the rail probably, and after that, can you check here how can we fix it, or probably here suspended over there?
Yeah.
We have suspicion that the bonding is not working. We have a bonding conductor internally. Some parts are connected to the bonding, some not, and some of them they don't have continuity between the metal and the bonding conductor. And however, they have the cable, the green cable, connected to the bonding conductor. We have serious suspicion that the bonding system is no working. Okay, great. And let me check. This one connected to the negative, and the negative here is out, and we are going to check in voltage DC, and we are going to touch, for example, this block. 0.3, no protection.
No protection.
Minus 0.3, you remember the table?
Yeah, 0.3 is no.
Minus 0.3, no protection. Okay, touch the water heater, please. Minus 0.2,
No protection.
no protection.
No protection.
The boat doesn't have protection. Let me, exactly, can you touch the generator, please, Drew?
Generator, no.
The block of the generator, the housing, any part.
No.
minus 0.3. In general, everything is not protected. Let me touch the strainers.
Should I put more deep right there?
You can touch that strainer. Minus 0.3. That's nothing. Touch this bracket.
This one.
Minus 0.2. Minus 0.3. It's no protection. Okay. That means that internally you have a bonding, but the bonding is doing nothing. Probably it's not connected externally with the sinks. And also, I want to know if the negative on the DC panel and the ground is connected with the bonding. Probably not. In that case, we need with a screwdriver Phillips open the panel and check that. Can I do that?
Of course.
All right, great. We prepare conditions, and later we are going to turn on the camera. Okay, let me verify one thing, because I don't like that the people connect the ground here on the breaker.
It's a fire, that's your boat. Yeah. I was wanting to know. I opened
Come
it
on,
up
come
one time.
on. So what?
No,
one more
this is,
person come
this
Come
is
on.
basically because they
Come on,
use
come on,
a
come
green
on.
cable to connect the hot of this with this hot here, the main breaker. But it's not a good idea. Use not follow the color code, no? It's using
color code.
It's using okay. Can I have the light, please? 1 second. I want to identify what is the ground on AC. The ground on AC. It's not this. They use green, but this is
not ground.
It's part of the hot.
Oh,
Let me 1 second. Okay. Look at this. That one is the ground bus bar. The other one is the neutral bus bar. Everybody follow me?
So that's the
No.
ground.
In the back, in the back.
The back.
Yeah,
The
in
back.
the
Yeah,
back.
green.
Ground bus bar,
And the neutral is
neutral
the
bus
one on the
bar,
other side, to the left.
and they are separated like it should be. And the other one is the negative. You see, the negative and positive for DC. You see, negative the black one, positive the red one,
Yeah.
and here ground for AC and neutral for AC. Okay, we are going to verify if when we connect the silver chloride electrode. Number one, we are going to verify continuity, and after that we are going to verify how is the bonding here in this ground. Can I have the multimeter is connected in this moment with the black cable
Yeah, the way in the water.
and bring, because the cable is too long, bring that one, and I am going to touch this one and the negative, and I'm going to verify how is the potential over there,
So which one?
because this one should be connected to the bonding conductor.
This one should connect to the back
This one,
side.
the ground should be connected, and the negative should be connected to the bonding. Yeah, because they finish.
No, don't disconnect it. Just bring here. Yeah.
Be careful with the black cable. Extend it the maximum as possible.
Long enough?
Yeah, it's long enough. It's
Correct.
Good. It's good.
Okay, you hold it, Papa, and you show to the camera the reading in DC. Okay, it's here connected. Okay, the negative of AC, how much is the reading?
03.
Okay, it's doing nothing. And excuse me, that one was the ground of AC, minus 0.3, no? And the negative of DC
DC.
is
03.
3.
03.
is minus 0.3.
0.3.
All the boat, the entire boat
No bonding.
is not protected.
I know it. I know
The
that's
entire
what
boat is not protected.
Entire.
Bad news, no?
Yeah.
It's doing nothing. No, you don't have protection. You remember the table yesterday,
From
no?
the corrosion, man.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we are going to connect again, and we are going to start the process to check with the sure test. We are going to analyze one outlet. The outlet is separated from the AC panel like 4 feet, 5 feet, something like this. It's not too much, no?
Maybe 10
And we are going to analyze if the faces neutral and ground are properly wired. We are going to check the voltage drop in this outlet. We are going to check the voltage of the system, and we are going to check the amps flowing with no load. Basically, we are going to do the analysis if we have leaks of current when we don't have load in that particular outlet. Okay, let me connect that one. Okay, you can approximate here the camera. That indicates that a hot, neutral, and ground are properly wired. Is good? No, not too far. Okay. And the voltage on the system is 122.9. It's good. That's normal. The voltage drop, look, it's too much, no? It's 8.4%. And this outlet is for 15 amps. That indicates that the outlet is for 15 amps. And look at the intensity flowing in that wire with no load in this moment is 0.002 amps. Remember, the table should be no more than 0.001. You have a little leak of current. In this moment, the flow of current in that outlet is 7.6 milliamps. 0.007. That's too much.
That's too much.
That's too much. 0.007 with no load. Okay. We are going to do this. We are going to fix the problem of bonding. We are going to check connect properly the anodes, verify that the anodes are connected internally with the bonding system, and later we are going to do exactly the same measure with the sure test and with the galvanic silver chloride electrode, and we are going to verify. Okay, right now we are good over there, and we check again with the sure test, and for sure all of those measurements go down. This is a good demonstration that when you have a bad bonding, the currents are leaking internally and no drain. If I have a good drain, that current 0.00 something goes down immediately.
I have somewhere to go.
Correct.
Yeah.
It's drained. Okay.
Correct, but it's not draining.
It's accumulating here.
Correct. It's moving here.
Moving
It's moving here.
More corrosion.
Probably I think that the wire of this boat is good because the panel is in great condition. If we install the bonding properly, those numbers go down.
Yeah. Just about.
Nice, no? Homework, fix it. Fix it the
Bond it, yeah.
bonding system. All right.
Let me